So this is Acer Nitro 5, Acer's attempt to provide a gaming laptop at a very reasonable price. Looking at the specs that this device houses, the price doesn't really feel that high. The company really did a complete justification with the price tag of the laptop. Either you are performing your daily tasks or playing high-end games. The company did a really good job with the design of the device. It has got a LED backlit keypad to help you type in the dark. The laptop comes with a variety of ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 USB 3.0, 1 USB Type-C and an HDMI port. One of the great things about the device is that it is equipped with liquid cooling to prevent the laptop from overheating while performing high-end tasks. Looking into the configurations, the Nitro 5 comes with an 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is upgradable to 32GB, an Intel i5 7th generation processor, and a 2GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics card. Talking about the display, it has got a 15.6-inch Full HD 1080 pixels screen, which looks really amazing, but something that is going to bother you are the large borders around the screen. Overall, the performance of the laptop was really great. The games performed really well, even while using software requiring high processing power. The laptop was able to work without any hiccups. So that's it for now. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will soon be back with another video.